Alright, so it looks like the end of my switch puller. This is a one from Glorious, and it's pretty generic, but as you can tell, it's starting to give out, man. Oh, dude. Oh, bro, it just gave out. Dude, I was gonna make a video about, like, dude, I've probably done about, like, 500-600 switches with this, and it just broke on me right whenever I went to record it, dude. What am I gonna do now? I don't have a backup one. How am I gonna move those to this one? I guess it's gonna be old school, man. Yeah, there it is. Finally gave out. Like I said, probably about 500-600 switches, and it finally gave out. That's cool, I guess. I don't know. That really sucks.